Topic: Profit and Loss. Chapter: Profit and Loss without calculation of percentage. Calculation of percentage of profit and loss is exempted from the topic. Unit: Arithmetic Test. Book: Journey to JNV. Expert Preparation for JNVST Class 6. Hi. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting and useful topic from the Arithmetic Test unit, Profit and Loss. You might have seen your parents buying or selling things in the market, right? Sometimes, they get a profit if they sell it for more than they paid, and sometimes, they face a loss if they sell it for less. Let's understand this simply without any percentages, just with the basic prices. Look at this colorful chart, it clearly explains the concept. There are two important terms, cost price, CP, which is the price at which something is bought, and selling price, SP, which is the price at which it is sold. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get a profit. To find out how much profit is made, we just subtract the cost price from the selling price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. On the other hand, if the selling price is less than the cost price, then there is a loss. To find the loss, we subtract the selling price from the cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Calculating profit. Example: Rani buys a dress for 200 rupees and sells it for 250 rupees. How much profit did she make? Solution: identified the profit situation. Since the selling price, 250 rupees, is greater than the cost price, 200 rupees, it's clear that Rani made a profit. Applied the correct formula. You correctly used the formula profit is equal to SP minus CP to calculate the profit. Perform the calculation. Your subtraction of 200 rupees from 250 rupees was accurate, resulting in a profit of 50 rupees. Therefore, Rani made a profit of 50 rupees on the dress. 2.2 Calculating loss. Example: Aman buys a cricket bat for 300 rupees and sells it for 250 rupees. How much loss did he incur? Solution: identified the loss situation. Since the selling price, 250 rupees, is lower than the cost price, 300 rupees, it's clear that Aman incurred a loss. Applied the correct formula. You correctly used the formula loss is equal to CP minus SP to calculate the loss. Perform the calculation. Your subtraction of 250 rupees from 300 rupees was accurate, resulting in a loss of 50 rupees. Therefore, Aman incurred a loss of 50 rupees on the cricket bat. Simple, isn't it? No need to worry about percentage for now. We are only learning how to identify and calculate profit or loss using basic subtraction. Next, we will practice a few examples together so you become confident. Ready to learn and win like a champion. Happy learning.